All right, so I wanted to share with you in this third video one of the favorite things that I did during this process, and it was to create fake text messages. So for every letter book, you'll notice that the person who's creating the text message always has a name that starts with the same letter. So here, my person was Zeb. But you can create your own fake text messages. In the notes, you'll see the link by going to ifaketextmessage.com. And I've already started a fake message here, but I'm going to go back and say create. And you can type in your name, your student's name, and then start your message. So here I might say hi, and it's over here on the left. And then I'm going to say hi back. And if you click on the blue or the green, depending on your provider, then we've got a message happening. So now I'm going to add another message and say my student, really loves monkeys, or they really like, the smiley face. If you go to emojipedia.org, you can search for the standard images and emojis that you use. If you want your emoji people to have different skin tones, then type in your medium skin tone, dark skin tone, light skin tone, thumbs up, or any standard text message you have, and you'll get different skin tones. So I might do this medium dark skin tone of a thumbs up. And I'm going to go back to my text message and I'm going to say, how's it going, with my thumbs up message, and then have my person say back a thumbs up. You can add as many messages as you would like. You can change the battery life if I want to change that. I can change the connection to make the signal stronger or weaker. I can change my network provider, all of that. And then once I'm done with my message, I just take a screenshot and then I paste it here in my template. The really nice thing about the emojipedia.org is it will resize your text message to be the same size as your font. So if you want to use it in the story itself, you can do that also. All right, so some big fun there. You can see here I went to Textgraph and made some more letter combinations. Here we're working on the letter Z. So if I feel like this field is just a little bit too much, you can go ahead and delete out some of the letters so that you've got less happening on the screen. You can change the colors, do whatever you would like to make that as appealing as you'd like it to be. And same here, you can really limit down the field like I did on slide 21, or you can have all the letters together. So for slides step 6 and 7, you're going to be creating those letters. So you're going to say, let me show you how to write the letter Z. Then I'm going to trace my letter Z here and then allow the student to create the letter using whatever system they're using to write. So if they're doing hand over hand, pen or marker, if you're using alternative pencils, if you're using technology, they can add their uppercase and lowercase letter Z's. All of the content that I looked at to create this presentation came from Comprehensive Literacy for All by Karen Erickson and David Copenhager. And I also looked at Recipe for Reading, especially when I'm thinking about those more complex words to add into my books. And these are set up so that I could go ahead and print them out to make a copy for my student to have digitally. For my student to have, for them to hold as an actual paper book, but I can also provide digital copies for my student by sharing those out or making icons on their iPad so that they can access the book digitally. I can also record them just like I recorded this presentation. All right, that was the quick 3 video steps to creating your own letter of the day. I hope you enjoy the creation.